Goofy Squad, welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your girl Malia.Angelic. As you can see, I'm making my bed today. So I'm going to make some jambalaya, and I wanted to show you guys me making the jambalaya. Basically, let me just go. You already know the ingredients for jambalaya, but I'm gonna show you. So I got jambalaya box, family size. I got 2 of those. I probably could have been fine with 1. And then I got turkey smoked sausage, and I got 2 of these, so it just lasts me this whole week. So yeah, let's get started to cooking. But first, you want to be part of my Goofy Squad, you have to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Come on, be part of my Goofy Squad. It's 2020. Let's go. What are you waiting on? So Goofy Squad, I was reading the back of the box, and it says simmer for 25 minutes. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. And then within, like, when it's like maybe a little, like half of 25 minutes, I'm gonna add in the sausage, so then the sausage can cook with the rice. So I'll be right back, guys. Hi guys. So
why you didn't type little messages on the side?
Leave. So good, so bomb, can't go wrong. So it's the end of the video. Like all YouTubers say, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I got more videos. Yes.